Hi, everyone. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the work of the design team and specifically to show you this mood board that we have created to share with the architect. This is designed to help the architect understand the look and feel that we hope will come to pass in our sanctuary. I want to start at the top by telling you we were trying to come up with words that would describe how the sanctuary would feel. And we wanted our sanctuary to be warm, to be clean, as in not cluttered, to have a clean look and feel, to be welcoming. We hope it has great lighting and it's minimal. We're not distracted from worshiping God when we're in this space. We're drawn, you can see through all of these pictures, to having natural elements in the sanctuary. That means stone as well as wood in light to medium tones. One of the things that happened as we looked through hundreds of pictures of church sanctuaries is we started to notice that we were coming again and again to wooden elements on the ceiling. And as we looked up at the ceiling of the sanctuary, we saw that we have this beautiful coffered detail up there. It's one of the few architectural details in our space. So you'll notice that several of the pictures on the mood board have this wood ceiling, and we're talking to the architect about how we might put wood into some of that coffered space to emphasize it and to also add warmth through that natural surface at the top. We also started thinking about how we could use our existing cross, which is an important part of our design as it currently exists and was given by Jenny Pearl Reese, how that could be incorporated into the design and emphasized more. You'll notice on the pictures there's an image of a cross against a stone backdrop. So we're curious to see what it would look like to have some sort of stone, perhaps a field stone native to our area, behind the cross, and then to add more lighting to what's already there to help emphasize that cross so that it can be a beautiful focal point to our worship. In the lower corner, you can see a really kind of very whited out sanctuary. That sanctuary is really too kind of stark and white, but it helped us to imagine a blank slate. What would that space look like if there was wood on the ceiling and stone behind the cross? All of a sudden, you add those two elements in, and there is a warmth and a sense of connection to the natural world. It's welcoming. It's not doesn't have a ton going on that's distracting, but helps really bring you into a worshipful place. So through this process, we've also seen a lot of sanctuaries that we don't like. We know that we don't want a dark stage, like theatrical sort of thing. We don't want kind of cool tones or something that makes us feel like we're at a concert. But instead a space that really welcomes us all into the warmth of our fellowship, a space that can be as welcoming as our community is. So look at this, pause the video, and peek around at the different images here. Anyone on the design team would be glad to talk with you about our process and about how we landed on these ideas. And please reach out with any questions or comments or concerns. Thank you.